Hey guys, nagbabahay-bahayan kami dito with... Hi guys! I'm going to unbox my grad picture and the Hong Kong pasalubong from my boyfriend.
I'm cooking curry right now.
Your story becomes our story.
Story ka nila?
Toy Story talaga siya.
Toy Story 6.
And then my cheers. The grand reveal. Boom, 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 boom. I picked it.
Ay, yun na. Let me check.
I'm going to cook curry. Biglang may pinasok ka. Nakikita ka dito, Bio. Okay. Yeah, this from Vietnam. Di ba nilay? Ang cute niya, love. Kasi maliit lang siya. First one. Cookie matcha. Another matcha.
Pero okay ba?
Oh, it's chocolate. May laman siyang
Ako, tas ceremonial matcha yung ginagawa.
lava omelette with egg yolk. Two snacks. This is wafer bar.
Okay, parents.
This one is for my parents and our rep. Hong Kong. And this is for Shell. Panda. Ulit nito eh. Kunin ko to sa kanila. Last one is this is the highlight of all. And I'll put it agad. I put this here. Thank you, my love. Walang welcome, no? Hi guys, we are here just outing at Tarlac, my boyfriend's hometown.
First annual get together for 3 years. Hindi ko kita.
Over. Ang tigas na na sana. Mag-refit check po tayo. Uy, matigas na. Gutom na po kami, pero nagwe-wait pa kami ng other cousins. Although, one whole day lang kami dito. Hi guys! Good morning! We are eating at Marugame.
Okay.
We are both wearing white. Yun yung first date din natin, no? Nag-share tayo ng curry.
Huwag tamagal na yung away mo na pag wala akong sarili curry.
Oo. Hi guys, we're currently at Nosy Neighbor. Ang ganda rito na. Na-discover lang namin siya a minute ago. Kasi sakto na sa San Juan kami. I went to Gate It. Super ganda. I had doubts of food and coffee. Ang sarap lahat. So yummy. Oh, here guys. Super recommend. Story ako ng something.
X3 pala yung, ay yung X5 pala yung ginamit ko. Okay yung kape niya. Medyo kakaiba nga yung coffee niya. Sarap. Pero okay yung order niya. Chill siya.